Sometimes you need to make a global change to a set of objects that are the same. For example, in this drawing here, I might want to change the size of the text here to something different. Or I could, have a bunch of rectangles that were all the same width, different heights, but I wanted to change the width of all of those rectangles, or whatever it is. So to do this quickly, you can use the Custom Modification command. So let's, for example, use that as an example, these drawing labels. So we'll go to the Custom Modification command, and we'll choose type is, and then we'll get a list of all of the types of objects we've used in the drawing, and we'll choose drawing label. Click OK, and what will then happen is that the object properties for this particular object will come up, and where there are differing values, for example, the plan, detail and elevation are different, you'll see here in the drawing title. So this will come up blank if, or with a dash if it's a pop-up menu, if there are different values in each of these objects. Anything where the values are the same will show up. So all of these have a drawing number of 12, for example, which is a bit unrealistic, but there you go. What we're interested in is the drawing number text size. So currently it's set to 12, so let's bump it up to 18 and then click OK, and if you notice the size of the text in all of those just changed. So let's do that again. So we'll go Custom Modification. This time we'll go type is rectangle, and you'll see it's found 3 rectangles. Now we might want to narrow that search down a little bit, so let's more choices, and we'll go class is class name 1. Now we're down to 2 objects, and now I've got the properties dialog for the rectangles, for those rectangles. So if I wanted to change the width to say 6 meters, I can do that, click OK, and you'll see that the width for these 2 rectangles changed. So it's a very powerful and quick way to go through and make changes to multiple objects at the same time without having to go and find them on all of the layers or wherever they happen to be in the drawing.